The Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G is an upcoming flagship smartphone that aims to re-establish Nokia's presence in the premium segment. While the official release date has not been confirmed, it is expected to launch between September and December 2025, with prices starting around $450. The device features a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage, ensuring high performance and ample space for apps and media. The phone sports a powerful 200MP main camera along with additional sensors for versatile photography, and a 32MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. A 5000 mAh battery with 67W fast charging supports long-lasting use. Running on Android 16, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G promises a clean and user-friendly experience, making it a strong contender in the high-end smartphone market.